Put all your eggs in one basket to risk everything on one opportunity. Example 1. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in different stocks. Example 2. She put all her eggs in one basket by applying to just one university. Cry over spilled milk. To be upset over something that cannot be changed. Example 1. Losing the game was disappointing, but there's no use crying over spilled milk. Example 2. He kept complaining about his mistake, but I told him not to cry over spilled milk. Burn bridges. To ruin relationships beyond repair. Example 1. Be careful not to burn bridges with your colleagues. You might need them in the future. Example 2. He burned his bridges by insulting his boss before quitting. Bite off more than you can chew, to take on more work than you can handle. Example 1. She bit off more than she could chew by agreeing to manage 3 projects at once. Example 2. I bit off more than I could chew by signing up for 5 online courses. Jump the gun. To act too soon without thinking. Example 1. He jumped the gun by announcing the project before it was finalized. Example 2. Don't jump the gun and buy that car before checking other options. Call it a day. To stop working on something. Example 1. We've finished most of the work, so let's call it a day. Example 2. After working for 10 hours, I decided to call it a day. Hit the road. To start a journey or leave. Example 1. We need to hit the road early to avoid traffic. Example 2. After saying goodbye, he hit the road to his hometown. Keep your chin up. To stay positive in difficult situations. Example 1. I know you lost the match, but keep your chin up and try again. Example 2. Even after losing his job, he kept his chin up and looked for new opportunities. On cloud 9, extremely happy. Example 1. She was on cloud 9 after getting her dream job. Example 2. When I won the lottery, I felt like I was on cloud 9. Throw caution to the wind. To take a risk and act without worrying. Example 1. He threw caution to the wind and invested all his money in stocks. Example 2. She threw caution to the wind and went skydiving.